Hello everyone, it's Amanda from Crystal Coast Originals. Thank you so much for checking out my video. So the painting you're going to see in this video was inspired by Karen from Waterfall Acrylics. She did a really gorgeous deconstructed bloom about a week or two ago, and she posted it on her YouTube, and she said in the caption, "Try these colors," and I said I sure will because I thought they looked beautiful together, so I wanted to give them a try. She did a deconstructed bloom. I actually did a swipe and spin because I really like swipe and spins. They're like one of my favorite things to do. But I did use similar colors. Some of the colors she used I did not have, so I kind of changed it up a little bit. Tried to find something similar that maybe wasn't the exact same brand. So yeah, you'll see that in the next part of this video. I have my swipe and spin here. It's not completely dry. It's a little wet still in the middle, but it's mostly dry. So yeah, really loving how this turned out, you guys. I love the QNAG gold combination, though I will say that tends to take over in paintings, at least when it comes to swipe and spins. Using that can definitely kind of take over, so where you almost don't really see the other colors quite as much. But it also depends on how you layer them. So I'm going to do another swipe and spin painting where I'm going to reverse the layering of the colors, and we'll see how that one turns out too. So please check out Karen's video. I'm going to list it down in the description box. If you're interested in learning more about the swipe and spin, I do have an online course that's available on my website, crystalcoastoriginals.com. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. For the colors in this painting, I used QNAG, quinacridone nickel azo gold. For my gold color, I used a pigment from Black Diamond Pigments called Pure Gold. I believe Karen used sort of a lime color, and I think it was Golden's green gold that she used. I didn't have that, so instead I used Master's Touch light olive green. Karen also used this little piggy pigment in the shade Benevolence, I believe, and it's kind of a purpley blue shift pigment. I didn't have that one either, so instead I used Liquitex light blue violet. And then for my last color, it's kind of a dark army green color, and I used Chrome Oxide Green from Master's Touch. And finally, for my swipe color, I used Amsterdam Caput Mortem, and I added just a little bit of the lamp black to kind of darken it up a little bit. Not much, just a little drop. So those are the colors that I used for this painting.